Yeah, I have a really random question. Trying to
Okay.
find where I flagged it, but is in one of your problems that had to do with air horsepower, and it was a similar formula to water horsepower, makes sense, but with a different number on the bottom, which makes sense. But I can't find that anywhere.
Love
Does
that
that exist
question.
in the book,
Yes,
or
yes, it does.
I think I
I
had the
searched
same phenomenon
I
instead
searched
of
air
it.
horsepower, searched the number the constant number, and that constant doesn't come up in there. Like,
Fan power.
oh, okay.
Yeah. You're not alone on this one either.
In what section is this in?
I don't even know. I just use fan power. I remember
Okay, it's in
like
the HVAC section. Okay.
it's under ERV 9.2.8.
Okay.
I remember searching for air horsepower, air, like every permutation. And then I started searching for 6356, but there's a comma. That was a
Yeah,
no-go.
I didn't put the comma in there. Okay.
No, nobody wouldn't occur to anyone to put the comma. And then when I found it just by desperately scrolling, and then I committed fan power to memory. So now you have as well.
Okay.
I think that's in the handbook as a decimal equivalent somewhere else, because that's what I've been using. I tried to commit this to memory and failed, so I just used the painful decimal on my calculator, which is more laborious to type in. But this is neat to see in there.
What's the decimal? Is it like more precise or something?
I don't know the value of it. It's more precise, I guess, if you care to type in 6 digits.
Oh, goodness. Yeah, no, this is fine.
And I don't know. I'm looking for it offhand, but I think it's in there. Air horsepower is a 0.01557 something or other.
You look up air power, it comes up.
Is it?
It shows the decimal he's talking about.
Yeah, thank you. There it is. Page 482.
Yep, right there.
Yeah, that's the
Ooh.
one I would use, which is I think that's the inverse of this guy, right? That we were just looking at.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Good find, Ryan.
And then that pressure is inches of water. Okay.
Oh, I do 1 divided by.
Yeah, 6369.
How about that? So the horsepower equals that decimal times V, which is the volume flow rate, times P, which is the pressure in inches of water. Perfect.
This comes up under fan power also. Okay.
What was the fraction under? What was the search term?
Also fan power. So you can use fan power or air power. You get it in a couple different flavors. This one uses different variables just for fun. So we have power equals Q for volume flow rate instead of V, delta P instead of P, and they throw the efficiency in there, which is a nice touch that could apply. That's good. It's good to see it both ways and then kind of work out, which variable you're solving for and which ones you have.